Hi, my name is Stephanie Robbins, and I am the president of Robbins Plumbing. And today I want to talk to you about water heater warranties. And what does that really mean? I'll be very transparent. This subject frustrates me. It frustrates me as a plumbing contractor, and it frustrates me as a homeowner. And you buy a water heater, and here is what you see. 1 year labor warranty, plus the tank warranty. But what does that really mean? Actually, it doesn't mean much, and that's what I want you guys to be prepared for. It doesn't matter, the manufacturer doesn't matter. This is across the board. This is A.O. Smith, State, American, Rheem, Rude, you name it, this is manufacturers. And I want us as homeowners to be prepared and to be knowledgeable about what does a labor warranty mean. I have a 1 year labor warranty. But do you? You don't. So I have watched in my 25-year career at this point, aging myself, that plumbers take the hit for what manufacturers represent as a labor warranty. Plumbers take the hit for reviews. Plumbers take the hit for what a client's expectations were. And I really believe that all manufacturers should clearly represent what does a labor warranty mean. I have a 1 year labor warranty. If my water heater leaks, if it's not heating, I understand that. That's what it says in writing, right? And I'm a homeowner. I protect homeowners as my profession. So this is something that really frustrates me. And I'm having a hard time not cussing for this video. Let's be transparent, because this is something that really bothers me. What does a 1 year labor warranty mean? Navien, Rinnai, etc. Every manufacturer across the board is the same. You have a 1 year labor warranty, but it is limited. Asterisk limited. And it is not limited by what goes wrong. It is limited by a dollar amount. So before you go out and harshly judge the plumbing company that has to warranty out your water heater, you should know that it is not up to them. They didn't build the water heater, they didn't manufacture, and they did not make the rules. Manufacturers did, and they falsely advertised that you have a 1 year labor warranty, or with Tankless that you have a 1 year or a 4 year, etc. It is limited, but to a dollar amount. So if your water heater starts leaking and you have a tank style water heater, regardless of the manufacturer, my video today is not about manufacturers. It is about what you and I as a customer can expect for our labor warranty if a water heater begins to leak within the first year. You can expect to be covered for $125. That doesn't cover much. So let me explain what it takes to warranty out a water heater. 1, the plumber has to go out to your home and diagnose that the water heater is leaking and that it is a manufacturer defect. Then he has to call the manufacturer and he has to get authorization to replace your water heater. Now, depending on the manufacturer and the day and the time, this can take between 45 minutes and 3 hours to be on the phone, on hold, listening to hold music to get authorization and to go through the diagnostic process to approve your water heater replacement. you're way past $125 at this point. Now the plumber has to drain your water heater. He has to disconnect everything. So if you have a recirculating pump, an expansion tank, he's disconnecting the hot lines, the cold lines, the works. He is disconnecting everything, and he has to take that water heater to a warehouse that authorizes and sells this specific brand. So whether that brand is A.O. Smith, State, Rheem, Rude, he has to go to that specific supplier. And then he gets to stand in line and he gets to fight paperwork. You're way past $125 2 hours ago. Then he finally gets a new water heater and he has to load it on his van and he goes back to your house and he starts the installation process from scratch. And he gets it all filled up, he gets it connected to everything you've got it connected to. If you've got a water softener, the whole works. It is typically a 5 to 8 hour process. $125. So here is what you need to know as a homeowner and what your limited labor warranty means. It doesn't mean much. It doesn't mean much. In fact, in a lot of states, and depending on if that plumber installed the water heater or not, and their willingness to eat it. This is what we're expected to do as plumbing contractors by these big manufacturers who make billions of dollars. Eat it. No, it's not fair. It's not right. It's not right to us as homeowners. It's not right to us as plumbing contractors. And I want to make it aware. I want to have everyone understand as customers what we're faced with as plumbing contractors and what your expectations are. If you read reviews on any water heater brand, the biggest negative review is the water heater labor warranty. And what a surprise it was that I had a labor warranty and I had to pay $800, $900, $1,200. I mean, if you're talking hybrid and you're talking different, specific, you've got to custom install these things, then yeah, it's a thing. And it's frustrating. But the manufacturer is the one who can change this. The plumbing company can't. We didn't build it. So whatever state you're in, whatever you're going through, before you give a bad review to that plumbing company, it is the manufacturer who controls the warranty. Small plumbing companies, which is the majority of plumbing companies across the nation, cannot afford to take a 6-hour loss to warranty out a product they didn't make. So if we're going to make change, one, you need to understand what your warranty really covers up to that 1 year. It doesn't cover much. Labor warranty, hashtag limited, asterisk limited, $125. I can't even get my car unlocked for $125, let alone have a licensed plumbing company work 6 hours at my home. I almost feel like you shouldn't have a labor warranty. They should be upfront with it. No labor included, which is the case with a lot of plumbing products. Let me be clear about that. Toilets, no labor warranty, pumps, etc. There's no labor warranty. But water heater manufacturers tout that there's a labor warranty up to 1 year. But read the fine print. What it means is you're covered for $125 as of 2022. But that's been going along for like 5 years. It's frustrating. I get it. It's very, very frustrating. And hopefully you don't experience this. But if your water heater is leaking and it needs to be replaced and it is under 1 year, this is what you can expect, is that process of the plumber comes out, he confirms that it's leaking. He has to call the manufacturer, he has to get authorization, and then there's the process. All of the paperwork for $125 and you have the rest, because it is such a process. And it is every manufacturer. I'm not picking on a single one, but I want you to be informed. This is what you're up against. Hopefully it doesn't happen to you, but it does happen. In the last 2 months, we have replaced, 20 plus water heaters that are under warranty. And it's that frustrating conversation which inspires my video today. This is what you can expect. Before you lash out at the plumbing company who is taking care of you, consider what they're up against and that it's about the manufacturer. We didn't build the water heater. Every plumbing company installs what they believe is the best product. It's backed by this warranty and this warranty and this warranty. There are things on the manufacturer line that are out of control. Things happen. Humans happen. But this is what a labor warranty means when it's a water heater. Whether it's tankless, whether it's a tank style water heater, whether you have a hybrid, you have a marathon water heater or a lifetime water heater through another manufacturer, the labor warranty is limited. And it is very often limited by a dollar amount. So while I refrained from cussing during this video, I hope you found it informative, and I hope that it helps with your perspective if you're coming up against this and you're frustrated, to really take into perspective who made the warranty and who defined what those warranty limits were, because it wasn't the plumbing company that installed it or the plumbing company who is helping you out today. They are doing their very, very best. So I just really want to put that out there without swear words, because this really frustrates me. It frustrates me. It frustrates me. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope that if you have an issue with a water heater and you're angry, that you reach out to the manufacturer rather than lashing out against the plumbing company that is helping you out today, because, well, all of us are just trying to help you out. If you have questions about your water heater warranty, the manufacturer, etc., you can certainly reach out to us on our website. You can comment on the YouTube video that's posted below. You can, of course, research depending on the manufacturer that you have. You can go to their website and research their specific warranty limitations with your model and serial number. But I really want to just reach out and have everyone be informed and stand up for the little guy, I guess. So it's a thing. It's a thing. So I hope you found this video helpful. Hopefully you don't have a water heater leak under warranty, but if you do, this is what you can expect.